What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and I want to thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. And guys, in today's video, I have my dad's 99 BMW 5 Series here for some love. It was just his 72nd birthday. So shout out to Pops. I love you, Pops, and I owe everything to that man. So I just recently had to do some work to his BMW. If you guys don't know, I am a full-time mechanic. I just had to do a radiator, thermostat, water pump, all that kind of good stuff on it. And while I was working on it, I just said, man, this thing's filthy. Let me bring it home over the weekend, and for your birthday, I'll give it a nice, thorough detail inside out and get it looking right. And right now, I am working on the interior. I got everything vacuumed out and whatnot. You guys, no one ever hardly sits in this thing. The back seat, honestly, never really sees anybody in the back seat. So the back seats are in really good condition. The passenger seat's in good condition. The driver's seat is probably the worst. We are mechanics. We work at an auto shop. He daily drives this thing. So the driver's seat definitely took a beating over these past 20 years he's had it. So we are going to be taking a look and cleaning up the interior with the Detail Firm's Interior Lather. If you guys are new to the channel, go back and check out my Detail Firm's exterior lather video. Detail Firm, a fairly new, smaller company based out of Orange County, putting out some top-notch products. I mean, look at that, doesn't it? The wife just said, looks like a bottle of olive oil, and I'm thinking like white wine, This stuff looks absolutely fantastic. The description is, the interior lather is a multi-surface cleanser designed from a blend of surfactants that remove dirt and grime without stripping plastics and leather of their natural finishes. So it is safe on leather as well. It's safe for interior usage on aviation, automotive, marine, RV, motorcycle, and commercial applications. Directions: it is recommended to detail surfaces that are cool to the touch and not hot and not in direct sunlight. Spray interior lather onto a detail brush, sponge, microfiber, and agitate into surface dry interior surfaces with a clean microfiber. It's pretty straightforward. You guys, I am absolutely loving the bottling and labeling of this Detail Firm's interior lather. If you guys want to know more about Detail Firm, me and my co-host Mike had Brandon with Detail Firm on a live stream. If you go to Mike's Auto Detailing, I'll put his YouTube channel link in the description, as well as the Detail Firm. But go over to Mike's channel, check out our live stream with Brandon from Detail Firm, learn a little bit more about the company, and help support the smaller businesses. Fantastic. So really nothing much more to say, guys. I've got the BMW ready for interior cleaning, and we're gonna see what this interior lather can do, and let's have some fun. So let's jump over. I'm gonna get you guys set up on the door. We're gonna do the door. We'll do a seat, and do some 50-50s and see what this stuff can give us as far as cleaning ability, finish, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's jump into it. All right, everybody, so here we are on the driver's door. Once again, I want to apologize for the background traffic. It's an absolute gorgeous day out, and people are across the street playing softball, enjoying the weather. So I wanted to come in here and show you guys. You could tell where he rests his arm. Overall, the door isn't terrible, but around the switches, around here, you can tell where all the grease is. Since we are a mechanic family, it's got some grease rubbed all on here. So I wanted to show you that before we start. So I'm gonna get you guys here in the tripod here. Get you guys set up like so. We're gonna do a nice 50-50 tape line here. Normally I really don't do these often, but I do them for you guys so you guys can see what we got going on, how well this stuff cleans, and so on and so forth. So got a nice 50-50 tape line there. Once again, there's nothing I can do about the traffic, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray directly into my brush. few sprays into my brush. I'm gonna come in here and agitate, and instantly what I'm seeing is it suds up pretty well. Now what's good about the suds is as you start to agitate, and as you can see here, the suds are starting to turn colors. That means they're encapsulating that dirt, grease, and grime into the lather, and that's what you want. So when you come in and mop up with your microfiber, you're picking up all that loose dirt, and I can tell you it smells really good. It really does. A nice scent of it smells clean. It smells really clean. I can't put my nose on the scent, but it smells really good. Now we're just gonna agitate here a little bit. All right, and then we are gonna mop up with my microfiber that I left over here. Oh yeah. Coming with my compressed air, just gonna blow this out a bit. All right, let me get you guys off of here. That did exceptionally well. Check that out, guys. Absolute fantastic. I mean, that did extremely well. Look at that. And that's dirt, grease, motor oil, anything you can think of from our shop. Wow. I am very, very, very impressed, guys. Let's move on to the seats and let's see what we can do with the seats. All right, everybody, we have moved on. We went ahead and we got the driver door panel all cleaned. I'm absolutely blown away right now. This stuff is freaking fantastic. So we're on the passenger seat here. As you guys can see, it is definitely dirty. I was gonna do the driver's seat, guys, but the driver's seat is trashed. I mean, there's no bringing that back to life. Daily driven for 20 plus years. The leather has deteriorated, so this is a better, you know, example of the cleaning power. So I've got my boar's hair brush here, guys. What I'm gonna do is spray a little bit of the product into the brush, like so, and we are gonna come right up here and start working it into the leather. I'm actually gonna spray a little bit on the leather. I know it says not to, but I've tested it on an inconspicuous area on the driver's seat and it works just fine. Man, this stuff lathers up nice. Gives you a nice good scent while you're using it. All right, and that's about it, guys. I've got a fresh, clean towel here. As you guys could see, no stains on it. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it down. You could see what it pulled off the seat. Not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and check the 50-50. Yes, let me turn my headlight on. You can definitely see it for sure. Check that out. Phenomenal. It doesn't leave it greasy. A nice finish. It's not shiny, guys. That's my bright headlight. So if I turn that off, you can see the difference. Did a phenomenal job. I'm loving this stuff, guys. I really am. So what I'm gonna do is, if I find another spot that's challenging for me, I'm gonna shoot another one. But so far, 2 freaking thumbs up on this interior lather from Detail Firm. All right, everybody. So I am really starting to get impressed with this stuff. So as you guys can see here on the seat, this is where you go, you turn around to back up. You always put your hand on the back of the seat when you're in the driver's seat. You can see here it is full of grease. Now you guys, what's impressive is, as you guys can see here, there's nothing on the rag. What's impressing me about this stuff is you don't even need to agitate with a brush. Watch. I'm just gonna give it 2 sprays right into my microfiber there. Now check this out. Look how easy it cuts through that grease. I mean, I'm not even using a brush. Boom, and it's all gone. That is absolutely legit. Don't even need to agitate. I wanted to show you guys that because this whole headrest had grease all over it. And I said, you know what, let me test it out without no brush. I just sprayed a little in the towel, wiped it, and it ate through it like that. So very, very impressed with its ability to clean without even being agitated, just with a microfiber towel and washing it. So I'm gonna get busy. I'm gonna get this interior done, and then I'll come back with and give you guys kind of like a walkthrough of the finished interior. All right, everybody, we are on a quick final thoughts segment on the Detail Firm's interior lather. You guys, this stuff is absolutely legit. I'm not gonna sit here and say, pray, oh, it's so fantastic, it's so, you guys, this stuff is legit. As you guys can see, that's about how much I used to clean the entire interior. Absolutely phenomenal here, guys. Let's go through my checklist. Its ability to foam and encapsulate all that dirt is incredible. It smells incredible. It's a very subtle smell. It's a clean smell. It's not overpowering whatsoever on the nostrils. I really like the sprayers on these. They atomize really well. It's a nice spray pattern. Its ability to cut through that grease, as you guys could see, was just insane. Really hit me off guard with how well this could cut through the crap that was on that plastic and the leather seats. It being safe for leather seats. You guys, I even used this on a couple spots on the carpet, and it cleaned the carpet extremely well. So yeah, Detail Firm Interior Lather is a 2 thumbs up for sure for me. I could definitely see a box refill on my shelf for the interior lather. That stuff is phenomenal. Absolutely recommend trying it for sure. Its cleaning power is very heavy, and I can almost bet you if you cut that 3-to-1 or 5-to-1, it'll still be a great interior cleaner, especially on a not so soiled car. You could probably do that freaking 10-to-1 and it would still be probably very effective. I'm blown away at its ability to cut through all that dirt and grease on the seats, even without agitation with the brush. You guys saw, spray a little on the towel, wipe it through, and it cut through it like that. Fantastic product. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend going out there and checking out their website and getting your hands on it before it sells out. The last video I did on the exterior lather sold out quick, so I would definitely recommend this. Brandon, you guys killed it with this stuff, man. This stuff is phenomenal. I absolutely enjoyed every bit about it. It did a incredible job cleaning the inside of the BMW. It leaves a nice matte finish. It doesn't leave any residue on it to make it look like shiny or anything like that when you clean it. There is no protection built in this, guys. So when you're done cleaning it, you're gonna want to follow up with your UV protection, your interior detailer. Great product here, guys. Totally legit. Yeah, there's not much to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, smashing that thumbs up for me, click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, whether it be product reviews, details, corrections, coatings, you know, stuff like that, you'll get notified when I upload those videos. So don't forget that bell. And I want to say thank you again for all you guys taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. I hope you guys all out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.